Hello everybody. Well, this 8-week-old Yorkshire Terrier got caught in some cactus. So his name is Cactus Jack. Well, the neighbors heard him crying and they rescued him and they pulled out hundreds of needles, as you can see here. He was stuck with a lot of needles, hundreds of needles. But the remainder had to be removed from the local veterinary. And as you can see here, he's making
The
full
whole
recovery.
time when he had all of the spines sticking in him, he didn't ever stop wagging his tail. So curious, giddy, and very lucky.
And he's going up for adoption. So if you live in the Phoenix area or you're willing to travel to the Phoenix area, go ahead and call the local shelter and see if you can adopt this dog.